So before you start looking for the best shoe storage solution, it is best to downsize first. Throw those that cannot be worn anymore. Donate the pairs that you don't use. Stick to the shoes that you really wear. After that, you are ready to organize your shoes and decide on what is the best storage solution for you. Here is a roundup of the most cool and clever shoe storage solutions, perfect for small space living. 1. Use walls as high as you can. Build a shoe rack on the wall and hang your shoes there. Measure the area that you are going to use as shoe storage. Then buy crown molding and cut them according to your measurements. Install them and hang your shoes. 2. Store them under the couch. Your couch is not just for sitting or napping. It's also a very practical hiding space, and it can be just the right home for your shoes. 3. Place a tiny drawer just for shoes near the doorway. A little drawer to separate all your shoes from everything else is probably the easiest solution to end your shoe storage woes. You can even use the top for entryway storage, for those little things like your keys, watch, and glasses. 4. Shelves will also do the trick. This is very similar to simply placing a drawer, but if you're more comfortable with shelves, go for it. Just like the drawer, just place it beside the door. 5. Build shoe shelves in tiny corners. Is there a tiny corner in your entryway? Shelves are perfect to maximize storage even in very tight areas of the house like corners. 6. Maximize underbed storage space. When you speak of underneath space, you just can't leave out the bed. That is prime real estate. Just get a sliding drawer or shelf and tuck it under the bed. 7. Use a tiny ladder. Ladders are not only great for storage, but also for display. So if you're looking for a chic style of storing your shoes, pick a small ladder and let it lean on your wall. 8. Build a storage inside the walls. Design your walls to include a built-in shoe rack. You can have it in the wall in the hallway. 9. Install a shoe rack inside the walls. This one is partly similar with the previous storage idea. The only difference is that the shoe rack is not completely inside the walls. 10. Buy a wooden bench with enough shoe storage underneath. You can seat on top of the storage area. It's just that your shoes are not totally hidden, so better keep them organized always. 11. Use baskets. Baskets are always a lifesaver in every organization project. It's an incredible way to add space in the closet, kitchen, entryway, and in every nook in your house. When organizing your shoes, this is an option that you just can't forget. 12. Use a wall hanger. Keep them in line, neatly organized. If you only have a few shoes, just one wall hanger will do the trick. 13. Go for the V-shaped shelves. These shelves were drilled into the wall with angles forming a V shape. 4. Use hangers and pegs for flat shoes. Never really thought of this. Keep your flats neatly organized and free up some space in your shoe organizer. 15. Invest in a revolving shoe rack. You can place it in a corner, and because it rotates 360 degrees, it's very easy for you to see all of your shoes in just one turn.